Hello everyone, hope you are fit and fine. Today we will do our chapter 5 of science. The name of this chapter is Change Around Us. As we know, everything in this world is undergoes a change. We observe many changes around us at home, in school, in playground and at other places. The example of these are like melting of ice, growing of plant, evaporation of the lake water. When we see the picture, we can realize that every change has a cause, like ice melts due to the heat of the sun, plant use the energy of sun to grow, and the change in weather occur due to the revolution of earth around the sun. Similarly, day and night are caused due to the rotation of the earth. So you can say change as a phenomena in which an object may become different in its shape, size, position and at time even in its composition also. So, to students, we can also describe the change into three different categories. First is slow and fast change, second is reversible and irreversible change, and the third is the physical and the chemical change. We will draw our attention toward this category. Let's first draw the attention towards the slow and the fast change. Before know the definition, we will do some activity to know about the slow and the fast change. First, we will do first activity. First, what we have to do, we will take a warm milk and adding some curd into that milk. You can do add a small amount of curd into a bowl of the lukewarm milk. Then you will see the whole milk is now converted into the curd, and it will take a few hours to convert milk into the curd. So now we can say it is a slow change. The activity second is we will take boiled milk and add some amount of the lemon juice into it, and the time will be required for this change is very small and the milk will turn into a curdly substance. We can say the change is very fast. So from this activity we can learn the slow change is a change which occur very slowly over a days or months or the years, whereas the fast change is occurs very rapidly, or you can say the change which occur in second or minutes. The example of the slow change are growth of a tree from a seed because it is take few years. The example are slow change are tooth decay also, change of season, growth of many rusting of iron. And the fast change example can be burning of paper or match, lighting a bulb, bursting of fireworks.